Sa akin, ang pananaw ko, they will not use nuclear weapons. If they use nuclear weapons, it is encouraging a nuclear strike from US and allies, no? Kung saan may nuke. Right now, I think US will preposition nukes dun sa Japan, South Korea, and Taiwan, no? O kaya yung mga submarine nila, nandyan, nakailera na dyan. Anytime. Press the button, boom, burado China. That's why I'm telling you, China is so afraid, scared shit sila. That's why they're taking it on us. Kasi thinking niya, weakling tayo. No? And it will be a big mistake na magkaroon ng gera. Pagka nagkagera, yari ang China. Contrary to sa iniisip ng mga kapwa Pilipino natin. I'm telling you that. America will not allow China